Hello, and welcome to our channel. 10 herbs to boost your weight loss journey. Herbs have been used for centuries as natural remedies for various health conditions, including weight loss. Certain herbs have been found to have properties that can help with slimming by promoting weight loss and controlling appetite. Here are some commonly used herbs that may help with weight loss and how to use them. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has been found to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. The active ingredient in green tea, called catechins, has been shown to increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. To use green tea as a weight loss aid, try drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. Garcinia cambogia. Garcinia cambogia is a tropical fruit that contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which has been found to suppress appetite and inhibit the formation of fat. HCA is thought to work by blocking the enzyme that converts carbohydrates into fat. To use Garcinia cambogia as a weight loss aid, take 500 mg of Garcinia cambogia extract 30 minutes before meals. Ginger. Ginger has been found to have thermogenic properties, which means it can boost metabolism and promote weight loss. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to control appetite. To use ginger as a weight loss aid, try adding fresh ginger to your meals or drinking ginger tea. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, an active ingredient that has been found to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has also been found to improve metabolism and aid in weight loss. To use turmeric as a weight loss aid, try adding turmeric to your meals or drinking turmeric tea. Cumin. Cumin is a spice that has been found to have thermogenic properties and can aid in weight loss. It has been found to boost metabolism and control appetite. To use cumin as a weight loss aid, try adding cumin to your meals or drinking cumin tea. Dandelion. Dandelion is an herb that has been traditionally used to detoxify the liver and promote weight loss. It has diuretic properties that can help to flush out excess water weight and toxins from the body. Dandelion can be taken as a tea, supplement, or tincture. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb that is known to support the liver and improve its function. A healthy liver is crucial for weight loss as it helps the body to metabolize fats and remove toxins. Milk thistle can be taken as a supplement or tincture. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that has been found to have properties that can aid in weight loss. It has been found to suppress appetite and improve glucose metabolism. Fenugreek can be taken as a supplement or added to meals as a spice. Gugulu. Gugulu is an Ayurvedic herb that has been traditionally used to promote weight loss by reducing the accumulation of fat in the body. It has been found to have properties that can aid in weight loss by promoting the metabolism of fats. Gugulu can be taken as a supplement or in the form of a resin. Hoodia. Hoodia is a cactus-like herb that has been traditionally used by the San people of the Kalahari Desert to suppress appetite and promote weight loss. It is believed to work by increasing the levels of a hormone called P57 in the brain, which reduces appetite. Hoodia can be taken as a supplement or in the form of a tincture. It's important to note that while these herbs may help with weight loss, they should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise. It is also important to speak with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements or herbs to your diet. Some herbs may interact with certain medications or have side effects, so it's important to be aware of these potential risks. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.